Okay, it's the 15th of January. We're looking at the snow that's going to come in tonight and into tomorrow. Right now, it looks like a nuisance to moderate type snow. If you look, let's see here, we can zoom this. As you can see, a lot of the state is basically 1 to 3 inches, but there is a section over here in the southeastern corner which never gets snow, and in North Jersey here, even towards New York City, this could cause some problems for these people. They're really not used to snow like you are up in the Poconos or in Western PA. So this is gonna, they haven't had snow like this in a couple of years. So we're looking at Philadelphia around 4 inches, maybe up to five. Out here in Berks County, this area here, there's some higher elevations right here and out here. That's why it does show more snow there, 6 inches or so there. But basically, this area up here, Allentown, um, Berks, down here towards Lancaster, you're basically talking, 4 or 5 inches. Out towards Harrisburg, 3 or 4 inches. Up in the Poconos, Mount Pocono, Tobyhanna, you're looking at 4 to 5 inches. The lower elevations, 3 to 5 inches. Um, Northern New Jersey, let's see here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit closer here. Um, yeah, you can see up northern New Jersey, you're talking basically 4 or 5 inches. Some of the highest areas out here could get close to six. As you're talking towards New York City, you're talking 4 or 5 inches. So, and even down here towards Trenton, 4, maybe 5 inches. And, that's a big deal for them. So, just be aware that that snow will start tonight and that'll work its way through tomorrow. And, these these areas also need to think about the temperatures that are going to be cold. After the storm goes through, we clear out, and you can see this is Wednesday morning temperatures, single digits to the west, teens to the east, all the way down to the shore. And we can see if we can move this out a little bit ahead. During the day, it warms up still teens in the higher elevations and in the Poconos, and then in southeastern PA, which is usually the warmest. In Jersey, you're only in the low to mid 20s, so kind of a very cold day on Wednesday. Okay, now this is a map that shows where this low pressure system, this next one will be. Uh, Based on this is saying the location will be right off the coast here, a little far out. That I think it's, if you can see where I'm putting my little marker here, I think that the low pressure system is closer. I think the heavier snow comes in further. I think eastern PA, New Jersey, and up into New England have a chance for a very substantial snowfall. That would be Friday, Saturday time period. And we're going to keep an eye on that. And the models, again, when a storm is off the west coast and it's really didn't even come into land yet, it has to form. It's hard for the computers to figure it out. So I looked at analytics and everything like that, and this storm, and also what some of the, like the high pressure systems in the cold air, and I think this storm is really set up much better than the one we're going to get tonight and tomorrow. So therefore, I think it has a very upscale possibility to be a lot worse than the one we're getting tonight and tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on this thing here, see if we can, if it's going to be closer. But I think by the analytics, it comes around and it comes up a lot closer to the shoreline, and then it takes the path up towards Nantucket. So one way or the other, there's going to be snow Friday, Saturday time period. It's just we'll see if things pan out the way I think they are. But I would give you a heads up that I think the Friday, Saturday time period will have more snow than tonight, tomorrow time period. Okay, so everybody knows what they're going to get, what's going on. Again, if you go on www.poconoweather360.com, you will see more maps there that I'm going to post later on today. And again, I have everything under one heading there. You have road conditions for Pennsylvania, road conditions for New Jersey, ski information. It's under one heading. Instead of you having to click all over the internet, you just go there and just click on each one of the pages and it'll take you to where you want to go. There's like a catalog of things you can look into. So if you want to go there, you can see that. And also, I'm in the process of changing Pocono Weather 360. It won't affect anybody that's already paid to be on there, but eventually it's going to change to Weather Outlook. .com, so it'll change to that, but I'll let everybody know when that happens. But it'll probably be this week. Okay, because again, the weather is more. I don't just. It's not just about the Poconos. It's about New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So I want to change the title to it so it doesn't mislead people, but it won't affect anything. People that are already there. Okay, so we got a lot to look out for. Drive carefully through the snow. People down in Philadelphia, New Jersey, I know you haven't seen it in a while. I'm sure there'll be snarls from that. So just be aware of it. You might want to go and work later tomorrow or something like that. Maybe think about it because I think the roads will clear quickly as they go through the day. All right, so everybody take it easy and please be safe out there.